Woo! Take a while for these little girls to get warmed up. I got to key it down just so I can get some fire going through the wire. Shame on the mess. Hello, around the east side. I hear somebody up there around Chicago, Illinois. Mr. Cool Breeze. They call me Captain Crunch in my mobile. Captain Crunch, Little Motor Station, West Side, Los Angeles, Cal. Mr. Cool Breeze, right, right. Hello, 476. 476, Captain Crunch, Little Motor Station, West Side, Los Angeles, California. Hello, Mr. 476. They call me Crunch in the Mobile, West Side, Los Angeles, Cal. Just got down.